Hi dear fans, welcome to CAS Informational Channel. Religious freedom in the United States. Historical context and foundations. Religious freedom has been a cornerstone of American democracy since the nation's founding. The quest for religious liberty was one of the primary motivations for many of the early settlers who came to America, particularly those fleeing religious persecution in Europe. The Pilgrims, who arrived on the Mayflower in 1620, are a well-known example, seeking to practice their faith freely in the New World. The idea of religious freedom was later enshrined in American law through the Constitution. The First Amendment, adopted in 1791 as part of the Bill of Rights, explicitly guarantees religious freedom by stating, "Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof." This clause is commonly referred to as the Establishment Clause and the Free Exercise Clause, respectively. The Establishment Clause prevents the government from establishing an official religion or favoring one religion over another. This principle of separation of church and state ensures that the government remains neutral in religious matters, allowing all religions to flourish without interference. The Free Exercise Clause protects individuals' rights to practice their religion without government interference, provided that such practices do not violate public morals or endanger others. This dual protection of religious freedom is a unique feature of the American legal system and has been a defining characteristic of American society. Point 2. Legal interpretations and key court cases. Over the centuries, the interpretation of the First Amendment's religious freedom clauses has been shaped by numerous court cases. The U.S. Supreme Court has played a crucial role in defining the boundaries of religious freedom, balancing the protection of individual rights with the need to maintain public order and social harmony. Reynolds v. United States, 1879, one of the earliest significant cases regarding religious freedom. This case involved George Reynolds, a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, Mormons, who was charged with bigamy under federal law. Reynolds argued that his religious beliefs mandated polygamy, and thus, the law violated his right to free exercise. The Supreme Court ruled against Reynolds, stating that religious practices that violate federal law are not protected by the First Amendment. Religious exemptions and public health. The COVID-19 pandemic brought new challenges to religious freedom, particularly in the context of public health measures. Some religious groups objected to restrictions on gatherings and mask mandates, arguing that these measures infringed on their religious rights. Courts have had to weigh the government's interest in protecting public health against the rights of religious groups to worship freely. These cases have set new precedents for how religious freedom is balanced against other public interests in times of crisis. Dear fans, watch us and keep yourselves updated with fresh and interesting information.